Hello everyone! Welcome back to Filipina Manskin channel. And today's video po is all about my cooking. I hope you like the video and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. And thank you very much. So please watch until the end. Here's the video. Magluluto po tayo ng pork calderita. Ayan. Hugasan ko muna para hugasan muna natin ang karne. I'm going to wash the meat pork stew. We're going to cook a pork stew. Ayan, hugasan muna natin ang karne bago natin going to wash it before brown. I usually when I cook the meat or whatever stove, I always brown the meat before I cook. So, just wash it right now. Hugasan muna natin ng mabuti. Ayan, lagyan natin dito for the final wash. Ayan. So, I'm starting brown the meat. So, at the pan. It's really good if you brown the meat first before you cook to any kind of menu you want. I need to prepare. So I'm browning the meat right now, and it's saute or whatever you call. And then, of course, I saute the onion, garlic, and ginger. Ayan, it's already in the pot. So we put the brown pork meat and stir for a little bit. Ayan, halo-halo lang natin. Then I put the 1 cup of water to make the meat soft to cook the meat. Ayan, pag ipapalambutin muna natin yung ating karne. And of course, I put some seasoning like black pepper, granule seasoning, salt, and simmer for about 20-25 minutes. And for the meanwhile, I'm preparing the carrots, potato, and bell pepper. So as you guys can see, I'm washing them. So everything is clean, the potatoes and the carrots. So we can put that in the meat. The meat is already tender and cooked. So let's put all the ingredients there and mix together. Ayan, halo-halo natin. Simmer for a couple minutes. And then, ito na. We're going to put the tomato sauce. Ayan. The small can that I guess it's enough for my little recipe for today. Dinner. Ayan, mix lang natin. Ayan, mga kamunchkin. Take a moment, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. And then also I put a tomato paste. Add on to the thickness of the sauce. So I put the tomato paste. Ayan. Take a moment, like the video and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below, guys. Ayan. I love reading comment. And of course, I respond all the comments or any suggestion that you have. I would really love to respond that. Also, I put the green peas for my calderita, mechado, or whatever, Ayan, calderita. So, ayan. And for the more tastier taste is I put the liver spread. Reno ang brand natin, mga kamunchkin. Ayan, liver spread. So, ang nakikita nyo po ay foil, aluminum foil. Galing po yan sa freezer. Because, I have the big can. So, I divided into a couple spare. So, I put that in the freezer. And also, I put a little bit of cayenne pepper for more taste. So, ayan, halo-halo lang natin. Take a moment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. And leave a comment below, guys. You can share my video to your friends and your family. So, ayan na. Luto na mga kamanskin. It's already cooked and that's how it looks like. Ayan, it's so yummy. Ayan, kain na tayo mga kamanskin. Let's eat. It's so yummy. Really yummy, yeah. So, thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for watching. To all my subscribers, thank you so much. And I will see you in my next one. To all my kababayan, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo. At magkita-kita po tayo sa susunod ko pang mga adventure. This is your Filipina Manskin signing out. I love you all. Babu. God bless.